Hi.
Hi.
What's your name?
June.
What's your long name?
June Turner.
June Turner. What's your favorite color, June?
Purple, pink, red, and dark pink.
What's your favorite food?
Yogurt and yogurt, jelly, applesauce, cranberries, with raisins, and I love to eat and orange.
Oranges? What is your favorite song?
I'll show you my favorite song. Whenever I hear the song of a bird, or look at the blue, blue sky. Whenever I feel the rain on my face, or when I let rushes by. Whenever I touch a melted road, or walk by a lilac tree. I'm guided and is a beautiful world. Thank you, Father, created for me. Jesus loved me, yes I know. For the Bible told me so. Little mountain below, they are weak but yet strong. Yeah, Jesus loved me. Yeah, Jesus loved me. Yeah, Jesus loved me. For the Bible told me so.
Well, who is your best friend?
Tessa, Annalise, Sadie, and Grace, Eva, Lily, Andy, and I also love is that girl I love is Maddie and Katie. Those are my best friends.
I like that. What do you want to be when you grow up?
Fairy princess.
Oh. What's your favorite book?
Barbie.
What's your favorite movie?
My Little Pony.
What is your favorite snack?
It's blueberries.
What is your favorite toy?
Ponies.
What makes you happy?
Silly faces.
What makes you sad?
Take away toys.
Who is your brother?
Henry.
Who is your sister?
Georgie.
Who's your mom?
Mama.
Who's your dad?
Brandon.
Brandon? What are you supposed to call him?
Now I call him Brandon.
What are you supposed to call him?
No. Papa, Brandon, and Pa.
Papa, Brandon, and Pa? I love you, June.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.